Welcome to the carnivore diet, where meat reigns supreme, but misconceptions about its cost often loom large. Ever wondered if this diet breaks the bank? Does a meat-centric lifestyle seem financially daunting? The truth is, embracing this dietary approach doesn't have to strain your wallet. Despite the assumptions, the carnivore diet can be budget-friendly. In this guide, we'll debunk the myth that eating solely animal-based foods means draining your savings. Ready to explore how to master the carnivore diet without overspending? Let's delve into cost-effective strategies for a meat-focused, budget-savvy lifestyle. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional instructionals for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's start by understanding the carnivore diet basics. The carnivore diet is simplicity in motion. It revolves around consuming animal-based foods exclusively. It's not just about steak dinners, it's about embracing the natural goodness of meats while shedding misconceptions about the diet's affordability. This approach emphasizes animal protein sources while excluding plant-based foods, aiming to optimize health through nutrient-dense, animal-derived nutrition. But does simplicity equate to expense? Contrary to popular belief, the diet's core principle doesn't have to wreak havoc on your wallet. It's about understanding the fundamentals, prioritizing meats, embracing various cuts, and leveraging affordable protein sources. By focusing on animal products, you're not just simplifying your diet but also potentially streamlining your grocery bill. Explore the simplicity of this diet. From affordable cuts of meat to incorporating budget-friendly options like canned fish or chicken thighs, the carnivore diet offers flexibility within budget constraints. Let's debunk the notion that a meat-centric diet is synonymous with financial strain and uncover practical strategies to make the carnivore diet financially feasible. Let's talk budget-friendly protein sources. Finding cost-effective protein sources forms the backbone of mastering the carnivore diet on a budget. While prime cuts of meat can be pricier, there's a trove of economical options to explore. Firstly, consider chicken as a budget-friendly protein powerhouse. Chicken thighs, drumsticks, or whole chickens often offer substantial protein content at more affordable prices compared to breasts. Embrace the versatility of chicken. Grill it, bake it, or slow cook for variety in your meals. Ground beef is another budget-friendly option that packs a punch in protein. Look for higher-fat ground beef, which tends to be more economical while providing essential nutrients. It's a versatile option, perfect for burgers, meatballs, or casseroles. Venture into lesser-explored territories like organ meats. These nutrient-dense parts of the animal often come at a fraction of the cost of traditional cuts, yet they offer an abundance of vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. Liver, heart, or kidneys can be incorporated into recipes or used as supplements to boost nutrient intake affordably. Additionally, consider canned fish like sardines or mackerel, a cost-effective way to add variety and omega-3 fatty acids to your diet. These pantry staples are not only budget-friendly but also shelf-stable, ensuring a longer lifespan. By diversifying protein sources, incorporating affordable cuts, and exploring alternative options like organ meats and canned fish, you unlock a treasure trove of budget-friendly, protein-packed choices within the carnivore diet. Stay tuned for savvy shopping strategies and meal planning tips to maximize savings while mastering this meat-centric lifestyle. Here are some foolproof smart shopping strategies. Navigating the aisles with a budget-conscious mindset is key to mastering the carnivore diet. Let's explore savvy shopping tactics to stretch your dollar without sacrificing quality. Start by keeping an eye on sales and discounts. Many grocery stores offer weekly promotions on various meat cuts. Stock up during these sales, especially on freezer-friendly options, to take advantage of lower prices without compromising on quality. Consider purchasing in bulk. Buying larger quantities often comes with discounted prices per pound, reducing the overall cost. Portion and freeze these bulk purchases for future meals, ensuring you always have affordable protein options on hand. Explore alternative shopping spots beyond supermarkets. Local butcher shops or wholesale retailers might offer competitive prices and a broader selection, allowing you to explore cost-effective cuts or bulk buying opportunities. Don't shy away from frozen options. Frozen meats can be more budget-friendly than fresh cuts, with the added benefit of a longer shelf life. They retain nutritional value and are convenient for meal planning. Additionally, consider embracing whole cuts of meat. While pre-cut and trimmed meats are convenient, whole cuts tend to be more economical. They require a bit of preparation but can significantly reduce costs, especially when purchased on sale or in bulk. By strategizing your shopping, capitalizing on sales, exploring bulk purchases, considering frozen options, and embracing whole cuts, you can harness cost-saving measures without compromising the quality of your carnivore diet. Stay tuned for meal planning insights and budget-friendly recipes to optimize your carnivorous lifestyle economically. Here's how to master meal planning and budgeting. Meal planning becomes your compass in navigating the carnivore diet on a budget. It's not just about what you eat but how you plan for it. Strategically planning your meals ensures you maximize savings while relishing a diverse carnivorous diet. Begin by outlining your weekly meals. Incorporate affordable protein sources like chicken thighs, ground beef, or canned fish into various recipes. Look for recipes that utilize fewer ingredients but offer substantial nutrition, a win-win for your budget and palate. Consider batch cooking. Preparing larger portions allows you to stretch your budget further by utilizing bulk ingredients more efficiently. Cook in bulk, portion, and freeze meals for future consumption, ensuring you always have cost-effective options readily available. Explore simple yet flavorful seasoning and marinades. Elevate the taste of budget-friendly cuts by experimenting with spices, herbs, and marinades, enhancing their palatability without breaking the bank. Moreover, strategic timing matters. Take advantage of leftovers by incorporating them into subsequent meals. For instance, leftover roasted chicken can become a flavorful addition to salads or a protein-rich topping for soups. Don't underestimate the power of simplicity. Basic carnivore meals can be incredibly nutritious and cost-effective. A meal centered around a single protein source like steak or ground beef, complemented with eggs or canned fish, can be both satisfying and budget-friendly. Meal planning isn't just about budgeting. It's about optimizing resources to enjoy a variety of delicious, cost-effective meals on the carnivore diet. Stay tuned for tips on cost-effective staples and budget-conscious recipes to elevate your carnivorous culinary experience without straining your wallet. Now let's talk cost-effective carnivore staples. Diving into budget-friendly staples ensures your carnivorous journey remains both nutritious and affordable. While premium cuts might be tempting, discovering cost-effective essentials enriches your dietary options without denting your wallet. Eggs, often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, are a budget-friendly protein source. Versatile and nutrient-dense, eggs can be cooked in various ways: boiled, scrambled, or fried, offering a simple yet valuable addition to your carnivore meals. Exploring cheaper cuts of meat unveils a treasure trove of affordability without compromising nutrition. Cuts like chuck roast, pork shoulder, or chicken drumsticks are not only economical but, when slow-cooked or braised, can yield tender, flavorful dishes. Don't overlook frozen options. They are not just convenient but can also be cost-effective. Frozen meats maintain the nutritional value and are often priced more reasonably than fresh cuts, providing budget-friendly alternatives without sacrificing quality. Incorporate canned fish like sardines or mackerel into your diet. These shelf-stable options offer a budget-friendly way to add variety and omega-3 fatty acids to your meals. By embracing these cost-effective staples, eggs, affordable cuts, frozen options, and canned fish, you diversify your carnivorous menu, ensuring both nutritional value and affordability in your diet. Stay tuned for more insights into maximizing nutritional value while minimizing costs on the carnivore diet. Making the carnivore diet sustainable. Balancing budget and nutritional needs is pivotal in maintaining a sustainable carnivore diet. While aiming for cost-effectiveness, ensuring your meals remain nutritionally dense is crucial for long-term success. Consider the balance between meat cuts. While opting for budget-friendly choices, aim for variety to ensure a well-rounded nutritional intake. Balancing leaner meats with fattier cuts not only diversifies your diet but also provides essential nutrients without straining your budget. Supplementation may be beneficial. While the carnivore diet primarily focuses on animal-based foods, consider incorporating supplements to cover potential nutrient gaps. Consult a healthcare professional to identify specific deficiencies and choose suitable supplements, ensuring a balanced diet without overspending. Further, prioritize quality over quantity. While budget-friendly options are essential, investing in quality meats when possible can yield better nutrition. Consider occasional splurges on higher quality cuts to balance nutritional value with cost-effectiveness. Lastly, adapting and evolving with your diet is crucial. As your budget or nutritional needs change, remain flexible. Modify meal plans, explore new cost-effective options, and adjust strategies to sustainably meet your dietary and financial goals on the carnivore diet. Stay tuned for expert tips on optimizing nutrition and affordability while mastering this carnivorous lifestyle. Let's talk maximizing nutritional value within budget. Optimizing nutritional intake while managing expenses is the cornerstone of a successful and sustainable carnivore diet. Here are strategies to ensure you're getting the most nutrition out of every dollar spent. Prioritize nutrient-dense choices. While budget plays a role, focusing on meats that provide essential nutrients is crucial. Opt for cuts that offer a variety of vitamins and minerals to maximize nutritional value without overspending. Organ meats, for instance, are packed with nutrients and tend to be budget-friendly. Explore the power of bone broth. Utilize bones, often sold at lower prices, to create nutrient-rich bone broth. It's a cost-effective way to extract valuable nutrients, collagen, and minerals, adding nutritional depth to your diet. Consider supplementing wisely. While the diet primarily revolves around animal-based foods, supplements can address potential nutrient gaps. Vitamin D, omega-3s, or magnesium supplements, if needed, can bolster your diet without significantly impacting your budget. Optimize cooking methods. Experiment with slow cooking, pressure cooking, or stewing to extract maximum nutrients from budget-friendly cuts. These methods break down tougher meats, enhancing digestibility and nutrient absorption. Moreover, choose quality when possible. While cost-efficient options are beneficial, investing occasionally in higher quality, grass-fed, or pasture-raised meats adds nutritional value. Balancing cost and quality ensures optimal nutrition within your budget. By strategically selecting nutrient-dense options, utilizing bones for broth, considering supplements where necessary, optimizing cooking methods, and balancing quality with affordability, you can elevate the nutritional richness of your carnivore diet without compromising your financial goals. Stay tuned for budget-friendly recipes and further insights to master this dietary approach economically. In conclusion, mastering the carnivore diet on a budget is within reach. By navigating smart shopping, incorporating cost-effective staples, and optimizing nutrition, you can savor a nutrient-rich carnivorous lifestyle without straining your wallet. Remember, it's about balance. Balancing nutritional needs with budget constraints ensures sustainability. Explore affordable cuts, diversify protein sources, and adapt meal planning strategies. Start your budget-friendly carnivore diet journey today. Experiment, refine, and revel in the nutritional and financial benefits this dietary approach offers. Stay tuned for more budget-conscious tips and recipes to thrive on your carnivore diet adventure.